The premier industrial welding machine, HKMIG500. Welcome back to the HKMIG Welding Machine's YouTube channel. Today, we are excited to introduce a legend that, despite having been on the market for years, remains unrivaled in the welding industry and a top choice for professional welding experts. The HKMIG500 Inverter Welding Machine. This machine is trusted by major mechanical operations, shipbuilding corporations, and factories across the country. To meet the demands of these significant projects, the HKMIG500 has passed quality standards, providing an impressive output of up to 500 amps. It is designed to handle welding wires from 1.0 to 1.6 millimeters, delivering bright, deeply penetrated welds. The quality of these welds is SGS-certified, ensuring high standards from the renowned Switzerland-based certification organization. The HKMIG500 isn't just powerful, it's intelligent, with built-in protective and energy-saving features. It offers adjustable inductance to optimize arc performance, ensuring flawless welds every time. The machine includes warning lights for overheating and overcurrent, and features a smart cooling fan that only activates when temperatures exceed 52 degrees Celsius, shutting off once cooled. This energy-saving design reduces dust buildup, lowering maintenance costs over time. For seamless control, the HKMIG500's MIG torch offers an easy switch between modes: 2T for regular welding, 4TA for hands-free welding, and 4TB for crater mode to fill the weld pool at the end of a job. With its striking yellow color and robust build, the HKMIG500 features 2 stainless steel handles and a heavy-duty welding cart. It also includes a premium 10-meter, 50mm squared welding cable, ready for any project. The HKMIG500 is used at workshops and factories nationwide. Interested customers, if you're interested in this remarkable product, please leave a comment below or contact us at +84 28 730 36536 and email export@hongkai.vn for consultation. Thank you for watching. See you next time.